Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will be opening and reviewing the polybag from Lego Explorer magazine number 10. This is like a carnivorous plant. It's quite a nice little build. This whole magazine is actually dedicated to plants. So there's lots of building plants, trees. It's very very much aimed at the environment and stuff like that. So see what the next one is whilst we're here. It says you can make a plant pot for it as well. It doesn't tell you what's coming up in the next magazine, but that would be quite interesting to see. So there we go. There's the build. I'm going to take this off here carefully now. That's off there. Right. I'll leave the magazine out because the magazine has the instructions in. This is polybag set 11948. There's kind of lots of small fiddly bits here, so we start off with a round base here. We seem to have like a tooth bit stuck in it, so start off with one of these. And we put a green roofing piece on the side here. A couple of dark green pieces go on the other side. Some lighter green pieces go on here, like so. Then we've got a green round piece goes on the top, and a couple of leaf pieces. These are sort of leaf pieces you get when you've got like a jungle scene. So we got a couple of these half arch pieces go on the side here, and a cream 2x1 goes on the top there. A couple of these 2x1s with a hook connector piece on it. Then a light green 2x2 and a slightly darker green 2x2. Then a couple more of these 2x1s with the hook pieces on it, like so. And we have two of the cream 2x1s go on the top, with a couple of the medium greens going on there. That's what we've got so far for our plant. Next we've got to build the mouth of the plant. So this would be like a carnivorous plant, like a variation on a. It's not quite a Venus flytrap, but if a Venus flytrap was human, what it might look like. So start off with these rail connector pieces, goes on the back there. A red curved roofing piece. We put the teeth in. Got to be careful when you do this because they both seem to keep coming out. So That's the bottom of the mouth. This bit here goes on here, so moving parts on the Lego model. Everyone who's watched my videos regularly will know I quite like that sort of thing. Now we start do the other side. So we got that bit again. Flip it over. A couple of the white studs with a hole. Put the teeth in. I think I've put these in the wrong place. Aha. That's when you don't read the instructions. Obviously these bits go on like that because these ones on this side go in like that, so then that bit there goes on the top. So there we have the mouth of our plant that moves, opens and closes. So it's like a carnivorous plant that's alive. So now we've got to make the eyes. That's one of the eye stalks. That's the other eye stalk. So these bits go on here. You might want to turn the eyes, move the eyes round a bit before you put it on, so otherwise it looks a bit cross-eyed. I'm going to put my eyes straight on here, I think, for the time being. Though it is a plant and it doesn't technically have to work to normal specifications. So here we have our monster carnivorous plant. It does look quite cool, and there is an option of actually building a pot for it. I'm using like the Lego Dots sets. I'll show you a picture of that quite quickly. That does look quite cool like that, but I don't actually have any Lego Dot sets to actually do that. So I don't think I'll probably, and unless I see some cheap, I probably won't buy any. So there's our Lego plants. Then, and next issue of the magazine, if anyone's interested, is a time machine, and that's what it looks like. Now that does look like a really cool build, and I'm kind of looking forward to that one because it's got a steering wheel, a seat. It's just a shame they don't put a Lego figure with it as well, but you can't have everything. So there we go. There's our little Lego plant. I don't know what we'll call him. Call him Horace, I think. So just to give him a name. There we go. He opens his mouth. He goes and he eats he gets his food. So quite a nice little toy. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, do feel free to like, share and subscribe, or tell your friends as well. If you have any comments or feedback about this video, do feel free to leave them at the end of the video, and I'll try to give you a mention of one of my upcoming videos. I'd like to thank my regular followers on YouTube and Instagram. Thank you very much for your continued support, and I hope it continues. Stay safe, keep building. Hope very much to see you on my upcoming videos. Thank you very much.